Typical vlogger, no? And yeah, this is how it looks like. So annoying. Cute montage. Cute montage. Wow. Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be a huge Amazon fashion haul. It was my birthday on July 4th, so you can say this is a pre-birthday shopping. I have shopped more and there are more hauls coming up in the future, but this is one of my birthday hauls. And yeah, I've got tons of pieces that I'm very proud of and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I picked out is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is from the brand Only. This is cropped, as you can see. Fits me exactly where the jeans would start. So I think it's a perfect crop. It has full length and I am obsessing over the stripe at near the sleeve. Like, so pretty, no? And this has a pocket over here which has 92 written on it. I love it. It is loose fitted. I love that too because it's not super hugging. Because it is white and see-through nahi hai, which is good. And see-through okay, if it's super tight, I won't be feeling comfortable wearing it. So I think this is perfect with some nice high-waisted jeans. It's gonna look so good. Piche kuch nahi, it's just checks all over. I love it. I love it. So the next top I picked up is again from Only. Is this beautiful olive nudie. It does not have a hoodie, but it kind of is like a hoodie. Love this kind of top. Let's see how it looks on me. This is how it looks like. I am obsessed with this. I actually wore this on my birthday as well, evening mein, to celebrate, and yeah, I really like it. Love how it fits on me. Love the color. The print on it is written almost imperfect. Could it be any more perfect, right? The quality, the material is really good. It's from the brand Only. Only say I expected it to be good quality and it did not disappoint me. I'd highly recommend this, and yeah, I really like it. Next, I'm going to show you guys a few of the items that I picked out from the brand Illy London. Now again, this is something that I found on Amazon and I really like the quality of their products. I think एक top मैंने लिया था पहले वाले Amazon haul में, if you have seen it. So I definitely wanted to check out few more pieces from them, and this is the first thing that I got. It's just a simple t-shirt, as you can see the girl wearing it. Quality looks really good and I love the packaging as well. एक ziploc bag दिया हुआ है, which again you can reuse. Especially while you're traveling, you can just put this in the ziploc bag, and this is how it looks like. I kind of feel कि थोड़ा oversized है. कुछ भी मैंने majority of the clothes मैंने try नहीं किया है, so it's gonna be like a real try-on haul. Love the color on this, and this is how it looks like. I really like. It's looking so pretty. Love the color. Nice popping bold color, yet sophisticated and very aesthetic, I would say. Just tucking it in. So itna long hai. I'm not sure about the size that I took. I'll put it on the screen, but I really like it. It's looking so pretty. And पीछे भी kind of similar pattern है जो आगे है. And yeah, this is how it looks like. The next item I picked up is from the same brand. It's actually a one piece. You can see the girl wearing it. Again, a very similar packaging, ziploc bag. बहुत सही है. Now let's see the quality of it. As I said, I have not tried any of them. It's a bodycon dress. I'll wear it and see how it fits or drapes on me. Yeah. And this is how it looks like. I have got a size large and I think मैंने mistake कर दी. मुझे medium लेना चाहिए था और a size smaller, because the top part is perfect. The hand, the sleeve and everything is fitting me perfectly. The boob area is also fitting me perfectly, but this is very loose. I don't know if you can see, but this is very loose. This is supposed to be a bodycon, so it's supposed to sit a little nice near the waist, but this is very loose near the waist. I like the cut that it has. I don't know, if I pull it up like this, it's looking good. I'm not really sure. And yeah, I really like it, but साइज मेरा साइज नहीं है. I'll probably opt a size down. The next thing I got is another one piece. Hopefully मैंने ये again size large लिया है, तो I'm not sure कि मेरे को fit होगा कि नहीं. But let's try. This is again a midi length bodycon dress, but इसका top portion is a little different and it's a black color. So and this is how it looks like. Again, large is a little big for me. Medium would fit me perfectly, but this looks absolutely gorgeous. This is below knee level as well, as you can see. Fits me really well. I am considering to keep it because it will give me a little bit space to expand when I eat a lot. But overall, the material, the quality of the fabric, everything is very similar. इसका एक specific कपड़ा है जो ये लोग use करते हैं. I see it in all of the clothes that they have sent me. It's the same thing, just the colors are different. And I really like the material of it. I feel कि इसमें गर्मी होगा, इतना भी गर्मी नहीं होगा, but it is a little bit of a thicker fabric, so that is one of my concern. And I think medium will fit me perfectly क्योंकि यहाँ से थोड़ा loose हो रहा है मुझे. Probably gonna exchange it and get a medium size and keep it. So next, I got a bunch of stuff from the Soul store. Now, if you have seen my previous Amazon haul video, you would know that I really like their joggers. I got like 4 to 5 of them and I still wear them. So I definitely wanted to try a few more stuff from them. Abhi मैंने joggers बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिया है, but I've got a lot of other stuff that they have. Let's start from One Piece because already मैं One Piece दिखा रही हूँ. So this is the one that I got. This has Harry Potter themed One Piece. इसमें हैरी पॉटर का लोगो है, as well as सारे जो भी houses थे उन सब के कलर्स है यहाँ पर. It's kind of like a t-shirt one piece. Let's see मेरे पे कैसा दिखता है. I am obsessed. Like, this is looking so pretty. It's very plain, simple, as you can see. Knee के थोड़ा ऊपर hit करता है, just knee के above, I would say. And it has pockets. Whoa, I didn't knew this. It does have pocket and the size is perfect. Literally perfect. Hand से भी ज़्यादा loose नहीं हो रहा है. It's literally perfect. I love it. I love it. And this is such a great casual top, like a one piece to wear, and it kind of looks like top. You're very comfortable wearing it. It's not like very tight and you feel uncomfortable pulling stuff down. It's the perfect, I'm going shopping or I'm going for a brunch with my girls or I'm going where I don't have to be super dressy yet comfortable but cute. You know what I mean? Okay, so the next thing I got is this. Like, this is love, okay? I am not even kidding. I got a Wolverine jacket. Doesn't this look exactly what he wore in the movie? And इस पे लिखा हुआ भी है, made with I can't pronounce that, whatever material this is made of in the movie, and Wolverine written on it, and the color combination and everything about this is gorgeous. This is how it looks like. The colors, it's so vibrant and so pretty. Wait, I'll zip it all up and I'll show you guys. The quality is really good. Under fleece material nahi hai, which is good. India mein it's gonna be super hot if I wear this. But thandi ke mausam mein I think I'll make do with this. I really like it. Okay, the next thing I got is a shirt actually. Simba hai iske upar. Like, how cute is this? Everything that they have in their store is super cute. Yeah, like how aesthetic and cute. Like, everything is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I'm not. As you can see, it's properly packed. Let's see it. How does it look? I think it looks beautiful. Okay, I'm a 90s kid, okay? Simba has a special place in my heart. Even though it's a cartoon character on my shirt, it still isn't looking kiddish. It's still looking very chic. And this with some black tights underneath. It's an outfit. I'm wearing it with joggers right now, but you get the point, right? This has long sleeve. I've folded it because that's how I like it. Button up. The quality of this material is really soft and breathable. That's what I really like, because agar मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ for shopping or something, it's so hot. I can't even. India weather को क्या हो गया? It's so freaking hot over here, and a material like this is a godsend. I'm just saying. I really like the material, love how it drapes on me. I think size wise मैंने perfect size choose किया है. All over Simba का print है and it hits me till here. Let's move on to the next thing. This is again a sleeveless top, t-shirt top. I think top है ये. मैंने again open नहीं किया हुआ है, but look at the print. It has pineapples all over it and so cute. I can't wait to try it on. Let's just open it. See-through नहीं है, which is good. I was expecting कि ये see-through होगा, but I'm happy कि वो नहीं है. Material इसका और इसका very similar है. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Not bad at all. एक्चुअली साइजिंग में मैंने थोड़ा इशू कर दिया है, थोड़ा लूज है मेरे लिए. थोड़ा ऐसे होता तो और अच्छा लगता. इट्स गोइंग सो वेल विद द जॉगर्स दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. I really like it. I am gonna experiment a little bit more with this style from this brand. Actually, I really like the quality and the material. Even if you're wearing it at home or you're going out, this is a very pretty, like a racer back sleeveless tank. I think it's a tank top. Like I would call it a tank top. And the last thing I got from their brand is some ghar ke liye very pretty pajamas. I think they've recently launched pajamas and उनके joggers इतने अच्छे थे. I definitely wanted to try out their pajamas. Again, Harry Potter themed because 90s kid. I love Harry Potter. But if you would touch it, you will know how I'm feeling right now. It's so soft. It's like next level soft. Like ये मैं अगर घर पे पहनूंगी, I wouldn't feel like I'm wearing anything. It's that level soft. Like I definitely want to try it on. Let's do the magic. Oh my god. It fits me perfectly. इसमें नाड़ा भी दिया हुआ है, so if it's a size big on you, you can, you know, do that and it will fit you perfectly. As I mentioned, बहुत ही best है यार इसका material. It has pockets, which is amazing. Thank you so much for putting pockets in my pajama. I have way too many pajamas that do not have pocket, and if I want to go down with my pajamas, I have to hold my phone in my hand, which is very annoying, by the way. Next thing I picked up is a one piece from this brand called Balanced. I think I'm saying it right. Now they have a lot of them in multiple colors. Same pattern wale, but multiple colors, so you can choose the one that you like. I picked up this beautiful purple lilac color and it says self-love. It's a huge oversized t-shirt dress and I can't wait to see how it looks on me. So how cute is this color on me? Like I love it. And one more thing that I love about this is iska length and the way it drapes. It actually looks like a one piece. It doesn't look like it's not super short that someone will say like, Didi aapne kuch pehna nahi niche. You know what I mean? It still looks like a dress. I am so surprised with the quality of stuff that I'm finding on Amazon. I did not expect this. I did not expect this, to be honest. It's nice, right? The next thing I got are some tights. Now I love wearing oversized t-shirts. This is a dress, but in general oversized t-shirts भी मैं बहुत पहनती हूँ at home or if I'm going out. So I definitely wanted some tights to wear underneath it, and this is how it looks like. Hopefully अच्छा रहे यार. Tights बहुत ही difficult है to find the right one, and there is literally plastic everywhere. दिखने में इतना कुछ खास लग नहीं रहा है वो. Hopefully पहनने के बाद अच्छा लगे. This is how it looks like. There is a stretchy elastic thing over here. This is ankle length, by the way, and the stretchy thing is over here as well. Let's see how it fits on me. And this is how it looks like. To be honest, quality मुझे इतना कुछ खास नहीं लगा. Breathable बिल्कुल नहीं है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसा मुझे फील हो रहा है कि इसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होने वाला है. Socks material, I would say, which I'm not a big fan of. Fit wise, it's good, but it's weirdly tight. Maybe it's not my size, but I'm not a big fan of it. Probably will return it. It looks okayish, to be honest, like how a tight should look like. But the material हमें इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है मुझे, so I'll probably return it. The next thing I picked up are some workout shorts. Now I do work out on a regular basis and this was needed. So this is how it looks like. Dry fit वाला मैंने order किया है. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Some grey basic shorts, to be honest. Actually मैंने 2 shorts order किए. This is one of them and let's see how it looks on me. And this is how the shorts look like. I really like it. I love wearing these kind of shorts instead of that tight leggings जो usually workout में girls पहनते हैं, because getting them out once you're done with the workout is another struggle that I don't want to deal with. So these are amazing, easy to get out of once I'm done with my workout. It has some pockets with zip, which again, great stuff. Comfortable hai while running, and if you're doing all of this stuff, comfortable hai again, A+. Dry fit hai, easily dries off the sweat and stuff, so that's amazing as well. I really like it. As I mentioned, और एक मैंने shorts order किया है for workout, but that one actually didn't come. It's gonna take more 3 to 4 days. I don't know why. So I'm still waiting on them. If I get it before I upload this video, then I'll definitely put on the try-on part. But as of now, this is what I have. It's very similar, just in black color, I would say. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And the next thing I got is a wing sheeter. रेनी सीजन चल रहा है, विंग शीटर की ज़रूरत है एंड वी यूजुअली गो ऑन राइड्स और तभी मैं भीगना पड़ता है बिकॉज मेरे पास विंग शीटर नहीं है. सो आई थॉट इट वाज अ हाई टाइम दैट आई इन्वेस्ट इन वन. आई गॉट अ रियली प्लेन बेसिक वन बिकॉज अमेजोन पर मुझे ज़्यादा विंग शीटर मिला नहीं. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि अमेजोन पे मुझे मिले, बट फॉर सम रीज़न आई डिडंट गेट इट एंड दिस वाज द ओनली थिंग आई फाउंड वाज अ लिटिल बिट क्यूटर. सो आई गॉट इट. इट्स इन अ नेवी ब्लू कलर एज यू कैन सी. एंड नॉर्मल विंग शीटर जैसा होता है वैसे ही है, ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंट है नहीं. इसमें ये वाला यू नो दैट ये क्लोजर भी है एंड जिप है फ्रॉम अबव टू नीचे. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई इट ऑन. अंदर प्लास्टिक मटेरियल है ताकि पानी ना जाए. बेसिक विंग शीटर है, ज़्यादा कुछ इसमें है नहीं एंड इसमें कैप भी दिया हुआ है, which is good. This is how it looks like. Actually fits me pretty well. Yeah, it fits me pretty well and it hits right up below my bum area. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And yeah, typical vlogger, no? And yeah, this is how it looks like. So annoying. Why am I roasting myself? But has a cute little thing to protect your hair as well. So I really like it. Yeah, cute montage, cute montage. Wow, very classy, Shruti, very classy. So that's the wing sheeter that I got. Please embrace yourself because this was definitely a splurge, I'd say. Spent a lot of money, spent a lot of bucks on this, but look at it. Even on this that I'm wearing, this one piece, this footwear would look so good. This is by the brand Reebok and these are the classic slip-ons that they have, and I would agree that it's super soft. It kind of feels like the mattress that I have, but on my leg it does have a very soft inside. And this is how the bottoms look like. Sorry. And ये back में ऐसे है यहाँ पर. This has a belt over here. I am a sucker for anything that is black and white at the bottom. I don't know, something about it just attracts me. So these are a perfect addition to my collection. I'm more of a slip-on person than the tie-up stuff. This is much more easier just to slip it on and I'm good to go. So yeah, I am obsessing with this. Let's try it on. I got another footwear from Amazon. I was a little bit iffy when I got it. I didn't know whether it will look good or not. And size मैंने छोटा, I don't know, this size usually fits me, 38. I am a 38, but this is small for me. I don't know whether I should go for 39 or 40. And I wore it and I was not I don't know, I'm a little confused whether it looks good on my legs or not, but this is how it looks like. It has this detailing on the top and it's a classic slip-on. अच्छा लगता है मुझे ऐसे kind of shoes because यहाँ पर कुछ होता नहीं and doesn't hurt my leg. That's the reason I usually go for, I think these are called mules if I'm not wrong. These are called mules, and let's try this on. And you can let me know in the comments down below if it looks good on me or should I return it. And the last thing I got from Amazon is a wash protection bag. I think it goes with the whole fashion stuff, right? Now, if you're someone who puts their bra in the washing machine to wash, get this stuff. It's a lifesaver. It will increase the shelf life of your bra, especially if it's wired and stuff like that. Put this in this and then put it in the washer. This will protect your innerwear to make sure that its shelf life increase ho and everything is intact and protected. इसमें सारे instructions दिए हुए हैं. Just a simple wash bag. You just have to put all your bra and stuff inside this, dump it in the washing machine, you're good to go. I'm really excited to use this. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I am obsessing over all the products that I got. It's so pretty, and let me know your favorites in the comments down below. And yeah, all the links will be in the description so that it's easier for you guys if you want to shop anything. And the comment shout out goes to Tanu Oja. Thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.